हो जाण जालो
ऑलरेडी तोंडवाडी काढलाय दोग तीन वरांचे आणि चोयल ऑलरेडी सगळे एक्सेस आहा तो घरा सो नाव वी आर फियरिंग ओनली द लॉस ऑफ लायफ I think they know everything and they know people will not keep anything in the house because we have already faced this problem. So now what we are fearing most is the fear of life and losing life. So we want the police to take very strict action against this, and we want the MLA also of this thing to take care of us because here we are only the few last houses remaining. Gora tiles and gor poi hai and to live like this is a big risk for our life. So we request that कितें कोच्चें म्हूण. And in this matter also आतां loss of gold and loss of ornaments and a loss of electronics म्हळ्यार it is valuables म्हळ्यार now more valuable is the life also.
Police this thing आतां आज 4 तारखे 5 तारखे आयको चोर येयलो तेणे तो सेम तुवें येयलो तो फ्रिजींतल्यान देंवन येयलो तो लास्ट टायम येयलो तो तेणें चोयलें ते मेन डो बंद आहा ही कॅनॉट कम इनसायड म्हणून तो आयको वयर तो नोड्यान दुसऱ्या वाटेन सालांतल्यान येवन तो मेन तुल्या नोडे काडले तेणें आनी दोर घालून तो देंवलो सारको दोर दोन हायट इज समथींग 4-5 मिटर्स वयर आसतली दोर घेवन केलो आयको तो तेच रुमान गेलो तो भांगर आहलो थिंगा तेणें चॅक केलें कांय ना तें आनी मुगे दोन लॅपटॉप आसले रायट वयर ते दोनूय लॅपटॉप वयले तेणें सोनी वायू एक ब्लॅक आनी एक वायट कलर आनी